Good evening, and welcome to the dailies. You know...
Okay, let's go.
30 take 14, board on end.
Riff.
Downtown,
Where depression's just status quo.
down on Skid Row.
Someone show me a way to get out.
Page 3 take 4, retake.
Action.
Excuse me. I couldn't help noticing that strange and interesting plant. What is it?
Oh, it's an orchard, too.
I've never seen anything like it before.
No one has.
Where did you get it?
Well, you remember that total eclipse of the sun about a week ago?
Yes?
Well,
Yes? Continue, young man.
You know, I don't come from no black lagoon.
I can imagine being in a swimming pool and they go, Dr. Denton, Dr. Denton, and people turn around and go, what is a pair of pajamas doing here at the swimming pool?
When I was younger, just a bad little kid, my mama noticed funny things I did.
Oh, my God.
Oh, that hurts.
Shut up.
Ah!
Oh, my God. What did she say? Suddenly see more.
Shut up. Now spit!
And quiet, please. Action.
Stupid woman! Christ, what a friggin' scatterbrain!
I'm sorry,
Falls off the motorcycle!
I'm clumsy, Doctor. I'm clumsy, Doctor.
take 6.
You're not going anywhere, Krellborn. You're staying right here and taking care of this sick plant.
I told you it was giving me trouble. The Audrey 2 is not a healthy girl.
Strictly between us, neither is the Audrey 1.
If only I knew what breed it was.
Who cares what breed it is? Look what it's done for business.
I know.
So work, Seymour. Nurse this plant back to death. To death. That's a very
3-4-4, take 17, ball on end.
Walk it.
345, take 13. Some fun now.
349, take 5.
Merry Christmas.
343, take 18, end slate. Thank you.
Mark it.
This is for Dusty. 347, take 15.
408, take 6.
Some fun now. Hot damn, ain't he having some fun now? Yes, ma'am, he's having some fun now. Oh, boy, ain't he having some fun now? Now!
Okay. What film is this?
452, take 4.
Show me you can. Yes, you can. Oh, Seymour, we gotta get. I forgot my line.
505, take 10. Front clap.
This
545,
is very
take 5.
nerve-wracking.
Oh, no, people go mad doing this stuff.
A fence, a real chain link, a grill out on the patio.
Look at the artistic swing that Bob.
Not everyone can do that, you know.
Of course, you'd have to teach me how to take care of it while you're away. Give me your secret dining tips.
Everything. The word pickup reminds me of it now.
Of course, you'd have to teach me how to take care of it while you're away. Give me your secret gardening tips.
Mark it. 563, take 5.
Background action. Ready? Shh. Come closer. And action.
Stop it.
And
Death.
camera running. Here we go. Ready? And
tonight?
Got it?
Vine is coming into my dress?
Go for her.
7:20 to take 44.
Turn her over.
Go for it. I'm serious. Go for it.
Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
Do you talk to Seymour like this?
Sure do, I'll bring you straight.
Last take, guys.
My legs!
Beautiful, Ellen. Cut.
I got 3 minutes left. Okay, here we go. I probably have around 2 takes left.
Oh, relax, darling. It'll be easier. Come join your dentist friend and mush me.
I'm out of bullets.
Almost one last take.
Cut.
What's that?
Yeah, well,
I'm happy, so I want to just do one more take.
Good thing.
893, take 4.
This is definitely the last one. Now, the pod's over here. When you do the ahs, come forward to camera if you can, a few inches. On ah, and then a few inches more on ah.
Okay. Slate 1001.
Hey! It wasn't 1,000, it was 1,000 take one.
Cut. And keep on going, because I won't be seeing you. Keep
1074, take 8.
Play back, Dusty.
So better move it out. Nature calls. You got the point. I'm gonna bust your balls.
Real scared. And clock. Door. Fridge.
What are you laughing?
I'm not laughing. I was not.
Okay, are we rolling?
Cut. We're still running. No, cut. Cut.
Yeah.
Cut. Real intent.
1083, take 7.
Fear. And action. And clock. Radiator. Telephone. Door. Fridge. Keep going, Rick. More intensity. More intensity. Much more. Radiator. Telephone.
I'll get it. Meep meep.
The sequel. What about the sequel?
It was really a wonderful performance. However, I just have a couple of suggestions. I hope you don't mind me suggesting to you. That's fine. It was my fault entirely. I admit it. Let's reset for our last take, or I eat all the dirt on this set.
wow!
Shut the gate. The gate is clear. Thank you very much, boys and girls.